So today is the big day. I think we get the most DMs on people wanting to know how to make macaroni and cheese. And today is your day. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Now, there are going to be several macaroni and cheese videos that we are going to do because it's several different versions. But this one, we're going to start off with the most easiest, but the most flavorful. Well, not the most flavorful, but the most easiest that everyone can do, even a small child can do. So you're going to need half and half pepper, salt, of course, the noodles. You're going to need onion, garlic, egg, sour cream, and cheese. Now, when it comes down to the cheeses, realistically, it's whatever cheese that you like to put in it. But for this recipe, the cheese that we're going to use is the triple cheddar, and this is my favorite. This is the creamy melt. This is one of my favorite cheeses. You're going to need some sharp cheddar. Of course, you can shred your own. And then we're using this different blends of cheddar jack as well. So, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay. First, we're going to start with this.
Make sure you stop it.
1 pack of cheese here. Mix that in. Next, we're going to get 1 more pack. Now, remember, this is the starter macaroni and cheese. Okay? Next, we will throw a little chunk of butter in. Give us a chunk of sour cream. A little bit of half and half. And let's get us a little mix going on here. And you're going to continue to keep mixing and adding until everything becomes nice and creamy. Okay. Add more cheese. Then next you're going to put your egg in and more half and half once you mix this cheese in. And if you're in the comfort of your own home, just go ahead and dig right in, okay? Just get it really good. You can also use milk if you don't have any half and half at home. Let's get a little black pepper up in here. Now what you don't want to do is forget to season it because it will be really, really bland. Put a little bit of salt. Teensy garlic. And a teensy onion. Okay. Mix it up, and you can also taste this to see if you need to add anything once you get done mixing. Now the more you keep adding, remember it will take away from some of the seasoning, so you may have to add just a little bit more. Once you get done adding everything, and remember as you go, you're going to add as much as you need. Now if you need to add anything, you will put in more half and half or milk. Maybe a little bit of sour cream, but this is what's going to get you where you need to be. Don't add too much, just do a little at the time because you need to have like a not stiff but not too liquidy. You hear it and you see how it's moving. And then once you get done to this point, you're going to taste it and see if you need to add anything, and then pat it out nice and smooth and get it prepared for the oven, okay? And so when you get done, you should have your macaroni looking a little something like this. Take your remaining cheese and just sprinkle it lightly over the top before it gets ready for the oven. When you're done, you should lightly sprinkle your macaroni with the remaining cheese that you had, and now it's ready for the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated already at 375, and you're going to let it sit in for about 20 minutes and then check it. Now that we have took the macaroni out of the oven, it should look something like this. Now, if you're used to eating your grandma's macaroni, you know this crust is what we all want, okay? Give me the edge, give me the edge. Now, when you're done, it should look something like this.